Morning, Jack. What do you have there?
2.
2? 2 what?
Whoa!
What? Do you have 2 blues? Where's the blues? Where's blues? Do you have 2 of them? Do you love blue? Do you love blue? Not that blue, the old blue. The original.
Guy.
Hi, Blue. Can I give him a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Oh, no. You give him a kiss and love him.
Hi.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can you get the other blue? You just left him hanging. Thank you. Oh.